Hello and welcome back to 5-Minute Productivity. My name is Chris Kamir, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to format text in Todoist. Todoist uses the Markdown syntax language in order to add text formatting like bold, italics, links, and code to tasks or projects. You can even add emoji. While it's easy to go overboard with formatting and emoji, it can be helpful to draw attention to certain tasks that you have. So for example, in our daily routines project, we have a lot of tasks in here. We have some duplicated action verbs, and we can use text formatting in order to kind of visually break these up a little bit. So starting with bold, we can either add or edit a task. And for bold, we can either use 2 asterisks, and let's add those to sweep, save, and now that is bold. If you don't want to use asterisks, you can also do double underscores, or you could even do double exclamation points, like so. To do italics, you would just do 1 asterisk or 1 underscore. You can even do bold and italics with a triple asterisk or underscore. You just need to make sure that there isn't any punctuation or other special characters around that markdown, like we had here with the period. And you can even add emojis. So let's do pencil and paper and that. Let's do the green check mark. Finally, for code, we can remove, and then using a backtick, it'll show like that. And then if you go into a comment, you can add a code block with 3 backticks. And then once you add that comment, that'll show as the full code block. So if we head back over to our today view, you can kind of see that these tasks that we formatted are popping out a little bit more than the tasks that we have around them. And this is nice, and it brings a little bit more attention to those tasks, especially with the emojis. But it can get certainly busy if you start adding emojis to our projects. So for example, if we go over here, edit this project, and add this repeat emoji, save that, go back to our today, you can see that that emoji pops up right there, which is nice. But then for me personally, it's a little weird that some projects have an emoji, some projects don't, and the text is displayed a little bit off from other ones, and I don't really like to see that as much. So I went through a phase where I had different emojis for all of my projects, and that lasted probably about a month until I gave up on it and it was just too busy. So right now in my personal Todoist, I typically just use the bold and sometimes the code backtick option. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to learn more about the text formatting options in Todoist. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions, and also let me know if you plan on using any of these formatting options with your tasks or projects. Click the thumbs up if you like this video, and please subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.